It's FirstBuild's 10th birthday. That's 10 years of making, 10 years of co-creating, and 10 years of being open to community like you. A lot has happened in the last decade. From products to people to blacksmithing to ice to ovens to indoor smoking. Let's take a couple moments to celebrate the people and the products that got us where we are today.
I've been coming to FirstBuild for 5 years now. There's a lot of creativity out there. People here are just absolutely great and friendly, and the community members that come here are really good. They really want to learn and do things.
So I first started off watching the show Forged in Fire, and then my friend told me about the Makers Fair. So I came down to the Makers Fair and I met Colin, and that's how I got into it. It makes me feel good. The camaraderie with the other potential blacksmiths. I do feel like I improved. I'm more comfortable around the forge and the heat and the tongs, so yeah, I'm more improved.
I'm Tim Gillespie. I'm the electron goblin here at FirstBuild. I've been here for 10 years now, supporting electronics projects. Ever since I first heard whisperings of FirstBuild, I've been here. And we've worked on a lot of great projects over the years. Some of the highlights that come to mind is the monogram pizza oven, the way that we were basically able to develop an entire oven platform with a real small team just by using maker techniques and technologies and thinking about things differently. In the indoor smoker, which was kind of born out of hacking on a big fridge that I got off Craigslist and seeing if potentially we could do that indoors, and that evolved into the indoor smoker. And being able to get these out to people quick and just seeing how people react to the things you're working on has really kept me excited about FirstBuild over these 10 years.
I'm Jonathan Crosby. I was one of the original FirstBuild design engineers, and my very first project was the autofill water pitcher. We developed it as a maker kit, and it was really interesting. You had to drill through your fridge to install it. I think we maybe sold 10 or so. It was a really cool experience. 3D printed parts. We were kind of hacking stuff together, but made sure it worked well and it was safe. And it eventually graduated to GE Appliances, and this is our new autofill water pitcher.
So I first heard about FirstBuild through a project I was working on. It was an accessibility project, and I was one of the students working on the project, and it was hosted here at FirstBuild in the lobby. I feel like I've gotten a lot of knowledge on the universal laser cutters. I've just spent so much time with them, and I actually really enjoy troubleshooting when there's something wrong with them.
I first learned about you when I lived in Louisville, Kentucky, and it was just such a wonderful space, so many nice people to work with. And when I moved to New York, I sort of randomly reached out to you again, and it turned out you had already moved to Stamford, Connecticut, which is a short train ride from Manhattan. So now I'm excited to strangely have access to this amazing facility again. So I'm excited to start some new projects here with your help. I think just talking to people in Louisville, I learned about a public workspace, which is FirstBuild Louisville. And I went there and met a couple people, and I was just amazed, and I thought, never again will I ever need to make a garage, because the facilities and the wood shop and the welding capabilities and also the community and the people there, you'll never have that in your own garage. I think the latest project has to do with building a sort of a bench in the van that is going to have a top lifting section, sort of a catch-all trunk, because as you drive around a van, stuff slides around, it gets pretty messy. You know, we need to educate new scientists, engineers, and keep kids creative and thinking and enjoying working with their hands and their minds. So it's all a good opportunity for community building.
FirstBuild has seen so much over the last 10 years, and we cannot wait to see what the next 10 bring. It's not too late to get started. If you have an idea, submit it on FirstBuild.com or come into one of our 2 locations and make something yourself. And don't forget to leave your comments on our videos. Your feedback shapes our future. See you in 10 years.